everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can push a code to GitHub from your local file. Now, without further ado, let's get started with the video. So first things first, let's head over to our clone from our local clone. So I already have it here. I have the same files, but as you can see, I have one that is not in here. So I do not have some of the folders, but we're going to add a another one. We're going to right click on it. I'm going to click on new and then another text document. So I'm going to just name this new text document. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to type a new document, and then we're going to hit on file and then save. Now once that's saved, we're going to hit right, or we're going to like right click once again from this folder, and then we're going to click on open git bash here. Now from there, we're going to need 3 commands, so you just have to follow all of the commands that I'm going to be typing right here. I'm going to enter git add with a period, and then from there going to hit on enter. From there, you're going to use the git commit command, and then you're going to add -m. You're going to add a quotation mark, and this is going to be the commit message. So I'm just going to say that this is I made changes, and then from there, you're going to hit enter. Now from there, as you can see here, 2 files have changed and there is 1 insertion with 3 deletions. So this is what we will be pushing to our GitHub. So next thing that you're going to do is you're going to use the git push command. So we're going to type in git push, and then going to type in origin and then the origin of your choice. So you're going to type in here the branch name. So since I will be pushing it to the main branch, which contains all of these, so it really depends on you. If you have multiple branches that you can find right here, you can choose whichever branch you want to push this to. You just have to know the name of that branch, and then you're going to type it in here. So since the branch name for mine is main, we're going to type it in here, and then we're going to click on enter, and then we're going to wait for that to be processed. Now we're just going to reload this page so that we can see if there are any changes made. And as you can see here, we have pushed all of the documents that are in this folder. And that's it. That is how you can push a code in GitHub. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.